The Infinix Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G is shaping up to be a much more powerful and feature-filled upper mid-range smartphone that punches above its price class. It's expected to sport a large 6.8-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz or 144Hz refresh rate and high peak brightness, delivering smooth visuals and vibrant colors for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Powering the device could be a modern 5G-capable chipset, such as the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 or 7300 series, paired with 8 to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of fast UFS storage to handle heavy multitasking and storage-intensive apps with ease. The camera setup is likely to be a strong point, with a 108MP main sensor backed by ultra-wide and depth/macro lenses, enabling detailed shots and versatile photography, while a 32MP front camera delivers crisp selfies and smooth video calls. To keep up with demanding use, the Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G could pack a 6,000 mAh battery with fast wired charging, likely 68W or higher, so you spend less time plugged in. Running Android with Infinix's latest XOS skin, the phone will offer useful software features, customization, and optimized performance. Combined with 5G connectivity, stereo speakers, in-display or side-mounted fingerprint security, and a premium design, the Infinix Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G would be a compelling choice for users who want flagship-style specs in the mid-range segment.